Is a pair of Sony earbuds. Model number is WF-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to our Bluetooth settings on our computer. So you can, bottom left-hand side, you can go type in a search bar. You can type in Bluetooth. This here pops up here. It says Bluetooth and other devices settings under system settings. That's what we want. So we're going to go up here. We're going to select on that. And then just make sure Bluetooth and other devices selected here, and on the right here, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And then above it says add Bluetooth to other device. We're going to go ahead and select that. Now we're going to select the first one where it says Bluetooth right there. And now I see this line here that's moving. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So all these things here is in pairing mode near me. However, we need to put these in a pairing mode so it shows up here. First thing is make sure that the buds are in the case, and then close the lid. Wait till the light turns off. Okay, lights are off. Now we're going to put this in pairing mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the lid, and then we're going to press and hold this button back here, and we're going to keep holding until the light here starts blinking blue, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so we'll do it together. Let's open it up. Where's that button? There it is. Press and hold. Now keep holding the button until it starts blinking blue. Still holding that button on the back. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go back over here. It's still searching. I can see that line going there. If I took too long, I would have to cancel and redo it again. Okay, but anyway, it's still searching here. And I'm waiting for these to pop up with that model number. Oh, there we go. If I go down there, it is the 1000XM5. Let me select that. It says connecting. Device is ready to go, and we're connected. You can see it says connected right there. And when I click on done, and then you can go down here as well, and it says connected right there with 95% battery juice. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing and connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.